Welcome to Marching Edu Hub class. How are you doing today? Okay, today we'll be looking at angles in a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is four-sided polygon. Okay, that is a shape with four sides, four angles, and four vertices or corners. Also, you should know that the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So you can see the shapes we have here. We'll be finding the missing angles of these shapes. You can see the first one, we have this first one here. We have 77 degree, 88 degree, 82 degree, but we are asked to find this one. This is x. So we have solution. This is going to be what? X plus 77 degrees plus 88 degrees plus 82 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, so we'll be adding this by ourselves. That is, we do the full working here, which we have here 77 degrees, 88 and 82. 7 plus 8, we are having 15 plus 2, that is 17. Add it here. 1 plus 7 is giving us 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. So this simply means x plus 247 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, so we are going to get the final x here, the final answer here, which is, here we collect like terms. We move this to this other side, and going there becomes subtraction. So we're having x is equal to 360 degrees minus 247 degrees. Like I said, we don't use calculator here. So let's still do it and get our final answer. 360 degrees minus 247. 0. Take away 7 is not possible. We take 1 from here. Add it here. We now have 10. 10 minus 7 is giving us 3. 5 minus 4 is giving us what? 1. And of course, 3 minus 2 is giving us what? 1. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 113 degrees. Okay, let's also look at this second shape. We have solution as well. Okay, this is giving us what? T. We are asked to find the value of t here, the missing angle t. So we have t plus 118 degrees plus 106 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Don't forget I said that the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay, so let's also add this together. Like I told you, we can do this on our own. We have here 118, 106, and 60. Let's add up. 8 plus 6 is giving us 14. So we write 4 here, add 1 here. And 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6, we have 8. 1 plus 1, we have what? 2. So therefore, we are having here t plus 284 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, so let's find the value of t finally. We are going to have here, of course, we collect like terms, like as I told you earlier here, that will now be t is equal to 360 degrees minus 284 degrees. Okay, so 360 degrees minus 284 degrees. Okay, 0 minus 4, we know it's not possible. We take 1 from here, and we are left with 5. Okay, then here is now 10. 10 minus 4 is giving us 6. 5 minus 8 is not possible as well. We take 1 from here, we are left with 2. Coming here, put here, we now have 15. 15 minus 8, that is going to give us what? That's going to give us 7. Okay, then 2 take away 2, we are having what? 0. So therefore, the value of t here is giving us 76 degrees. Okay, let's take the third example. Here we have y, 120, 85 degrees, and we have this number outside here, which is 280 degrees. Okay, now we have to find the value of y, but nothing is here. We have to find something this first before we can now find the value of y inside this quadrilateral. Good. So we have solution. The first thing we do here, this is a reflex angle. So we can put here to be what? X. So finding our x, that's the first thing we have to do. We find the value of x, which simply means 360 degrees That is 360 degrees minus 280 degrees. And 360 degrees minus 280 degrees. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 8, no, it's not possible. We take 1 from here. We put it here. We now have 16. And 16 minus 8 is giving us what? 8. Of course, 2 minus 2 is 0. So the value of x here is giving us what? 80. So that means that this place is going to be 80. That is for this x. We can therefore now find what? The value of y. This will now be y plus 120 degrees plus 85 degrees. And remember that the value of x we got here is what? 80 degrees. Plus 80 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, we add up this y plus, here we have 120 degrees, 85 degrees, and 80 degrees. Of course, 0 plus 5 is giving us 5, and 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. We put 1 here. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So we are having 285 degrees. So 285 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. We find the value of y by saying y is equal to 360 degrees minus 285 what? Degrees. Remember, we did what? Collect like terms. And there is plus. By the time it crosses to the other side, it becomes minus. That is subtraction. So let's find the final value for this y. Okay, so this is what? 360 degrees minus 285 degrees. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we have here again 5 here. 10 minus 5 is what? 5. This is 5. We take 1 from here, giving us what? 15. 15 minus 8 is giving us what? 7. So we are having what? 75 degrees. So therefore, the value of y is equal to 75 degrees. Okay. Now, I will leave the number 4 for you to solve. If you think you can solve this, try this number 4. Find the value of h. You should know what this means. First, you should know what this means. So you add up, then subtract to get the value of what? H. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.